Welcome to the fascinating world of interdisciplinary neuroscience. Today, we explore how combining knowledge from different fields is revolutionizing our understanding of the brain. Neuroscience is no longer limited to biology or medicine. It now draws from psychology, engineering, computer science, and even philosophy. This fusion of disciplines enables researchers to tackle complex questions about cognition, behavior, and neural mechanism. By integrating diverse perspectives, scientists can develop innovative tools, models, and therapies. In this video, we'll journey through the key interdisciplinary approaches shaping neuroscience, highlighting their impact and potential for future discoveries. Biology forms the foundation of neuroscience, providing essential insights into the structure and function of the nervous system. By studying cells, genes, and molecular pathways, biologists help us understand how neurons communicate and how the brain develops. This biological perspective is crucial for identifying the causes of neurological disorders and designing effective treatments. However, biology alone cannot answer all questions about the brain. That's why interdisciplinary collaboration is so important. It allows us to build on biological knowledge and connect it with other fields for a more complete picture. Ecology plays a vital role in neuroscience by exploring how thoughts, emotions, and behaviors arise from brain activity. Psychologists use experiments and observations to investigate mental processes, linking them to neural mechanisms. This collaboration helps neuroscientists interpret brain imaging data and understand the effects of brain injuries or diseases on cognition. By combining psychological theories with biological findings, researchers can develop more accurate models of the mind and brain, paving the way for new therapies and interventions. Engineering brings powerful tools and techniques to neuroscience, enabling researchers to measure, manipulate, and model brain activity. From advanced imaging devices to neural implants, engineers design technologies that help us observe the brain in action. These innovations are essential for studying neural circuits, developing brain-computer interfaces, and creating prosthetics for patients with disabilities. By working closely with neuroscientists, engineers ensure that their inventions address real-world challenges and open new avenues for research. Computer science is transforming neuroscience by providing methods to analyze vast amounts of data. With the help of algorithms and artificial intelligence, researchers can process complex brain signals, identify patterns, and simulate neural networks. This computational approach is crucial for understanding how the brain encodes information and for developing predictive models of behavior. By integrating computer science with neuroscience, scientists can accelerate discoveries and create smarter diagnostic tools. Mathematics provides the language for modeling brain activity and understanding complex neural systems. Mathematical equations and statistics help researchers describe how neurons interact, predict outcomes, and interpret experimental results. By applying mathematical principles, neuroscientists can build accurate models of neural circuits and test hypotheses about brain function. This interdisciplinary approach ensures that neuroscience remains rigorous and quantitative, enabling precise predictions and deeper insights. Philosophy contributes to neuroscience by raising important questions about consciousness, free will, and the nature of the mind. Philosophers help neuroscientists reflect on the ethical implications of their research, especially when it comes to brain manipulation and privacy. By engaging with philosophical debates, researchers can clarify their assumptions and ensure that their work respects human values. This interdisciplinary dialogue enriches neuroscience and guides responsible innovation. Medicine is at the heart of neuroscience, translating discoveries into treatments for patients. Medical professionals diagnose and manage neurological disorders, using insights from biology, psychology, and engineering. Interdisciplinary collaboration ensures that therapies are safe, effective, and tailored to individual needs. By working together, clinicians and researchers can develop new drugs, surgical techniques, and rehabilitation strategies, improving quality of life for people with brain conditions. Social sciences, including sociology and anthropology, offer valuable perspectives on how the brain interacts with society and culture. Researchers study how social environments influence brain development, behavior, and mental health. This interdisciplinary approach helps neuroscientists understand the impact of relationships, stress, and cultural norms on neural function. By integrating social science findings, neuroscience can address real-world challenges and promote well-being. Physics plays a crucial role in neuroscience by enabling advanced brain imaging techniques. Magnetic resonance imaging (MRI), positron emission tomography (PET), and other technologies rely on physical principles to visualize brain structure and activity. Physicists collaborate with neuroscientists to improve image resolution, develop new scanning methods, and interpret complex data. This interdisciplinary partnership expands our ability to explore the brain non-invasively and uncover hidden patterns. Chemistry is essential for understanding how neurons communicate through neurotransmitters and chemical signals. Chemists study the molecular structure of these substances, revealing how they influence mood, memory, and behavior. This knowledge helps neuroscientists develop drugs that target specific pathways, treat mental illnesses, and enhance cognitive function. By combining chemistry with biology and medicine, researchers can unlock the secrets of brain chemistry and improve health outcomes. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing neuroscience by automating data analysis and discovering new patterns in brain activity. Machine learning algorithms can process massive datasets, identify subtle changes, and predict outcomes. AI also helps researchers simulate neural networks and test hypotheses about cognition. By integrating AI with neuroscience, scientists can accelerate research, improve diagnostics, and develop smarter therapies for brain disorders. Cognitive science brings together psychology, linguistics, computer science, and neuroscience to study how the brain processes information. Researchers investigate perception, memory, language, and decision-making, linking mental functions to neural mechanisms. This interdisciplinary field helps neuroscientists develop comprehensive models of cognition and design experiments that reveal how the mind works. By collaborating across disciplines, cognitive science advances our understanding of intelligence and learning. Linguistics explores how the brain enables language, from speech production to comprehension. Researchers study neural circuits involved in grammar, vocabulary, and communication. By combining linguistics with neuroscience, scientists can investigate language disorders, develop therapies, and understand how bilingualism affects the brain. This interdisciplinary approach reveals the complexity of human communication and its neural basis. Economics contributes to neuroscience by examining how the brain makes decisions, evaluates risks, and manages rewards. Neuroeconomics combines economic theories with brain imaging to study the neural basis of choice. This interdisciplinary research helps scientists understand impulsivity, addiction, and financial behavior. By integrating economics with neuroscience, researchers can design interventions that promote healthy decision-making and improve mental health. Education researchers collaborate with neuroscientists to understand how the brain learns and retains information. By studying neural mechanisms of memory, attention, and motivation, educators can design effective teaching strategies and interventions. This interdisciplinary approach helps improve learning outcomes, address learning disabilities, and foster lifelong education. By integrating neuroscience with education, we can unlock every learner's potential. Environmental science examines how factors like pollution, nutrition, and stress affect brain development and function. Researchers study the impact of toxins, diet, and lifestyle on neural health, linking environmental changes to cognitive outcomes. This interdisciplinary approach helps neuroscientists design interventions that protect the brain and promote well-being. By integrating environmental science with neuroscience, we can address public health challenges and improve quality of life. Genetics provides crucial insights into the causes of brain disorders and individual differences in cognition. Researchers study how genes influence neural development, susceptibility to diseases, and response to treatments. By combining genetics with neuroscience, scientists can identify risk factors, develop personalized therapies, and advance precision medicine. This interdisciplinary approach is transforming our understanding of the brain and improving patient care. Robotics is advancing neuroscience by creating devices that interact directly with the brain. Researchers develop neural interfaces that allow patients to control prosthetics, computers, or robots using brain signals. This interdisciplinary collaboration combines engineering, computer science, and neuroscience to restore mobility and independence for people with disabilities. By integrating robotics with neuroscience, scientists can design innovative solutions and improve quality of life. Music research explores how the brain processes sound, rhythm, and melody. Neuroscientists study the neural circuits involved in musical perception, creativity, and emotional response. By combining musicology with neuroscience, researchers can investigate the therapeutic effects of music, develop interventions for neurological disorders, and understand the role of music in human evolution. This interdisciplinary approach enriches our knowledge of the brain and its creative potential. Art offers unique insights into how the brain perceives beauty, creativity, and emotion. Neuroscientists collaborate with artists to study visual perception, imagination, and the effects of artistic expression on mental health. This interdisciplinary research helps us understand the neural basis of creativity and develop therapies for mood disorders. By integrating art with neuroscience, we can foster innovation and promote well-being. Sports science investigates how the brain controls movement, coordination, and athletic performance. Researchers study neural circuits involved in motor skills, reaction time, and physical training. By combining sports science with neuroscience, scientists can develop strategies to enhance performance, prevent injuries, and rehabilitate athletes. This interdisciplinary approach reveals the connection between brain and body, supporting health and achievement. Nutrition science examines how diet influences brain health and cognitive function. Researchers study the effects of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients on memory, attention, and mood. By integrating nutrition with neuroscience, scientists can develop dietary interventions that support mental health, prevent cognitive decline, and enhance learning. This interdisciplinary approach highlights the importance of healthy eating for brain function. Sleep research explores how the brain regulates sleep, dreams, and circadian rhythms. Neuroscientists study the neural mechanisms of sleep disorders, memory consolidation, and emotional regulation. By combining sleep science with neuroscience, researchers can develop therapies for insomnia, improve mental health, and understand the importance of rest for cognitive function. This interdisciplinary approach reveals the vital role of sleep in brain health. Immunology examines how the immune system interacts with the brain, protecting it from infections and inflammation. Researchers study the role of immune cells in brain development, injury, and disease. By integrating immunology with neuroscience, scientists can develop therapies for neurodegenerative disorders and promote brain health. This interdisciplinary approach highlights the importance of immune protection for cognitive function. Behavioral science investigates how the brain influences actions, habits, and social interactions. Researchers study neural circuits involved in motivation, learning, and addiction. By combining behavioral science with neuroscience, scientists can design interventions that promote healthy behaviors, prevent substance abuse, and improve mental health. This interdisciplinary approach reveals the connection between brain activity and everyday life. Technology is advancing brain mapping, enabling researchers to visualize neural circuits and connections. New imaging devices, software, and data analysis tools help neuroscientists explore the brain in unprecedented detail. By integrating technology with neuroscience, scientists can identify biomarkers, track disease progression, and develop personalized treatments. This interdisciplinary approach accelerates discoveries and improves patient care. Ethics is essential for guiding neuroscience research and ensuring respect for human rights. Researchers must consider the implications of brain manipulation, data privacy, and informed consent. By collaborating with ethicists, neuroscientists can design studies that protect participants and promote responsible innovation. This interdisciplinary approach fosters trust, transparency, and accountability in neuroscience. Future of neuroscience lies in even greater interdisciplinary collaboration. As new fields emerge and technologies advance, researchers will continue to integrate diverse perspectives and expertise. This approach will enable deeper understanding of the brain, faster discoveries, and more effective therapies. By embracing interdisciplinary methods, neuroscience can address complex challenges and improve lives around the world. Conclusion: interdisciplinary approaches are transforming neuroscience, enabling researchers to tackle complex questions and develop innovative solutions. By combining biology, psychology, engineering, computer science, and many other fields, scientists can unlock the mysteries of the brain and improve human health. This collaborative spirit drives progress, fosters creativity, and ensures that neuroscience remains at the forefront of discovery. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the interdisciplinary landscape of neuroscience.